Inspirators, it's Inspiring Vanessa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm coming back with another makeup kind of video for you guys. And I've been seeing a couple of people do this on YouTube. People are kind of making it into like a series of different videos or makeup looks, and this is like the whole makeup look inspiration from the HBO show Euphoria. It's got Zendaya in it and the cast is absolutely amazing, but one thing that I think most people are in love with it is also because of like the visuals and also the makeup department. So there have been some very amazing makeup eye looks which came from the character Maddie, which is played by Alexa Demi, and they were creating these looks in the makeup department and I thought I would try one out. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So this is the look I'm going to be doing today. So I also have the diamonds. My mum actually got me 2 packets. These ones are like different colours. These ones are just like the plain silver or white. So that's the look I'm going to be doing. I'm really excited. I haven't done it before, so this is going to be my first time doing it on this video. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take my Laura Mercier primer and put that all over my face. So now that I've primed my face, I don't think I'm going to be putting any like body blur on or maybe concealer on my actual face, because I recently just came back from my holiday and most of the stuff that I have is like from the shade that I was before I went on holiday. So I don't really want to like lighten my tan, if that makes sense. I think it's really nice. So I'm not going to be putting like too much stuff on my face. I'm basically going to be focusing on the eye look. So now I'm just going to get straight into the eyeshadow. So the palette I'm going to use for this video, I think I've used it in a couple past like makeup videos, is the Blush Trimunaza, and it's actually really nice because it has so many like really nice bright and colourful pigmented eyeshadow shades. So I think I'm mainly going to be using like the blue and the purple and maybe some of the pink, and I'm also going to be using my rose gold chocolate palette. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, but I'll show you guys what that is as well, just maybe to lighten up the look, because the look is pretty light compared to the other very bright, colourful, extravagant other looks. So that's the one I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to be using some lighter shades. This one is the I Love Makeup Chocolate Rose Gold palette, and I'm also going to be using that for like with the shimmery parts. I also do have a massive glitter palette, but because this isn't like the Rue Bennett kind of makeup, I'm probably not going to be using as much glitter because I'm already going to have these adhesive gems. Is there normal missing someone and missing someone? So now I'm going to take the nude tone on my rose gold palette and I'm just going to put that on top of it to make it a little bit lighter. So now I'm just going to add a bit of concealer on like the top of my eyelid, because then that way it shows like a little bit lighter, because I kind of blend it out on the whole thing. So it'll look better if I add a little bit of concealer. So I'll be right back once I do that. I think I just saw a butterfly outside my window. Okay, so I know this looks like I just did this in 2 seconds, but I've literally been in the kitchen against the mirror for the past 10 minutes. But at least it turned out okay. Don't judge. So now I'm going to put my mascara on, put some lip gloss on, and also do some highlight. Not too much though, because I'm already going to be pretty shiny from like the diamonds or rhinestones, whatever you want to call them. So now I'm just going to put my mascara on. I actually got a brand new mascara for my birthday, and it's actually really nice, and it's got a really big brush. It's called the True Ultra Volume Lash Magnifying Mascara. So I'm probably going to be using this one, and I'm also going to be using the other 2. And those mascaras are the False Lash Superstar X Fiber. There are 2 brushes, and then the other one is the 5-in-1 Wonderful Lash Mascara, the one. So I'm probably going to be using all 3 of them, because then it kind of makes the good shade, because this one's actually really like a straight brush which kind of like blends out and like takes out all the mascara, so it's not as clumpy. But I'll see what I'm going to do. I'm pretty much going to be using all of these 3, so I'll be right back. time for the diamonds. I'm actually scared about this because like sometimes when it comes to like tiny details and I need to do it like on my face, I find it like so difficult to do, but I still really want to try this out. But these ones are good because they're already stickers, so I don't need to get like eyelash glue or whatever it is. So they're already stickers like this. You just peel them off of the paper or like the see-through paper and then just put them on. But I'm just going to look and count how many diamonds there are. 8, okay, and they all go around until the inner corner. So, crossing my fingers, this is going to look good and it will make the whole look euphoria. Okay, so I have one eye done right now, but I ended up putting 6 diamonds on there. I feel like maybe they might have had smaller ones, but I think that the way they're arranged is okay, so I think I'm just going to do 6 on each eye. It doesn't really need to be accurate, but the look looks like the look, if that makes sense. Probably doesn't, but yeah. So now I just done my hair, added some clips that kind of matched it, because I feel like some of the looks are maybe a bit retro. So now it's come to the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it just as much as I did trying to recreate the Maddie look. If you guys like me to do a series like some other YouTubers have been doing or some other makeup artists, don't forget to comment down below what look you would like me to do next. They are pretty hard to do, but that's also because I'm not that good at makeup, but I still want to try it out because I find it really fun. But if you guys want me to do or continue this as a series, don't forget to comment down below what look you would like me to do next. This is the close-up of the look. As I said before, I didn't get to put 8 of the diamonds on my eyelids. I only did, I think 6 on each eye. I really like how it turned out. It looks super cool. I definitely think that I could have added some more colour to it because it looks a bit pinky more than like a violet, but I still really like it. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!